Our focus today is on the two other ways to identify similar triangles, which are side angle side and side side side. So side angle side is when you have two pairs of corresponding sides that are in proportion and the included angles are congruent. Side 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 is when you have three pairs of corresponding sides in proportion. So now we're going to do some examples with these two properties. So tell whether triangles are similar by side angle side or side side side. Well, for this first one, we don't know that any angles are congruent, so it can't be side angle side. So in order to do side side side, we're going to put each one of the little triangles sides over the big triangle to see if they're all in proportion. So 2 over 8 is equal to 2 over 8. And if we cross multiply, you get 16 equals 16. So yes, those are in proportion. And since the other ones are also 2 over 8, we know that each one of these sides is in proportion with this side. And if you want to know what the rate of it is, it's 1/4, because this side is 1/4 of this side. So, for the next one, we have these two triangles. We know that this is a right angle, this is a right angle, and we have these two side lengths. So since this is a right angle, its measure is 90 degrees. So that means that we're going to call this angle A and this angle D. So we know that angle A is congruent to angle D. So that's the A for this part. So now we're going to put the little triangle over the big triangle and set it equal to the little triangle over the big triangle. So then we're going to cross multiply and you get 72 is equal to 72. So those sides are proportional. So therefore these triangles are similar by side angle side. We have one more example. We have these two triangles right here. And we know the length of these sides. So first we're going to check and see if these are proportional. So we're going to put this side over this side and this side over this side. So 2 over 6, is that equal to 2 over 6? And yes, those two sides are proportional. So there's no property that's just side side, but if you remember our special angles, these angles right here are vertical angles, and vertical angles are always congruent. So we'll call this J and this angle K. So since angle J and angle K are vertical angles, angle J is congruent to angle K. So now we can say that these, therefore, triangles are congruent, not congruent, triangles are similar by side angle side. So now that we know the properties of similar triangles and how to prove that they are similar triangles, make sure you come and watch the next lesson where we're going to talk about perimeter and similar triangles.